Imagine you're working remotely on a freelance project with a tight deadline. You're waiting for some feedback from the client, but time is ticking. Do you wait, risking a delay, or do you move forward with what you know? Balancing the initiative to solve problems and knowing when to reach out can be a fine line to walk. In today's lesson, we'll explore the skills you need to manage yourself effectively, staying motivated, tackling challenges independently, and ensuring consistent progress, even without direct supervision. Let's explore 3 key skills to adequately treat this topic. Let's look at the first skill, self-motivation, setting goals and maintaining momentum. Self-motivation is essential, especially for remote or gig work, where you're often on your own. One effective technique is setting small, achievable goals to build momentum. By breaking down a project into milestones, you can see your progress and stay motivated even during challenging phases. Let's look at the second skill, problem solving, tackling challenges independently. Being able to solve problems independently is crucial. Start by identifying the root of the issue. Sometimes the best solutions come from breaking down the problem into smaller parts, analyzing each one, and addressing them step by step. Remember to be resourceful. Use online resources or past project notes to find answers before reaching out to others. And finally, the third skill, self-supervision, balancing initiative and communication. Self-supervision involves taking initiative while staying aligned with the client's expectations. This balance means moving forward without constantly seeking approval, but knowing when it's essential to clarify details. Before starting, make sure you understand the project's scope and expectations. Set up regular but brief check-ins to keep the client informed without excessive updates. We are now going to look at 2 practical examples and applications. Let's take a small project example. Designing a social media graphic. You receive minimal guidelines, so you set your own goals, colors, fonts, and layout style based on past projects. By setting an initial draft deadline and a review session, you maintain control of the project while keeping the client updated on progress. Let's look at another example. On a larger project, like developing a website, balancing initiative with communication is key. After the initial planning call, you outline each phase: design, development, and testing. As you progress, you solve minor issues independently, but reach out for clarity when encountering a major design decision. This approach helps maintain productivity without the risk of misalignment. To sum up, here are some do's and don'ts for self-motivation, problem solving, and self-supervision. 1. Do set small, achievable goals to stay motivated. 2. Don't wait on minor feedback if you can make an educated decision. 3. Do analyze problems in steps and seek solutions independently. 4. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification when it's crucial for success. And finally, do set regular updates with clients, but avoid excessive check-ins, keeping a steady flow of communication that builds trust and efficiency. Hope you learned a thing or two. Thank you for taking this lesson.